Hello everyone, welcome back to Usya Kitchens. These are the potato tornadoes. These can be made on Navratris as well. Let us begin. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I have taken some potatoes. These potatoes should be long and big in size. I have washed them properly and dried them thoroughly. So now we have a machine over here. This you can purchase it from Amazon. The link is given in the description box. This is called the potato spiral cutter. Now I have taken one stick like this and inserted the yellow part with the handle downwards. Now I am piercing the potato and the rod is inserted inside it so that the potato is straight. Now to hold the potato, I have taken the holder and inserted in the potato so that the potato doesn't move. Now take it upside down and push the spring portion inside the potato little by little. I have inserted the whole yellow part inside the potato. Now I have to move the handle round and round so that the potato wedges are cutted spirally. Like this. It's very easy to cut. Don't move the holder. Don't move the stick. You have only to move the handle round and round. This way we get spirals of potatoes very easily. You will find some difficulty downwards. As you come downwards, you can just cut out the extra portion, or you will be very careful while going downwards. See, if you elongate these potatoes, these spirals are spread and they look very beautiful. See, these are the spiral potatoes. You spread them well and if you have to fry it now only, then you don't have to put it in the water. Otherwise, put it in the water to stay for some time. Now, I have taken one toothpick and inserted inside the spiral potatoes and taken out the rod. And again, I have spreaded the whole part of the potato. Be careful so that no end is cutted. Now in a pan, take some oil and heat it to boiling point. Now medium flame the gas and fry these wedges like this. You have to fill the whole of the pan, otherwise it won't dip. This has been frying and now get it upside down and fry it again. These are ready. It has been fried very golden brown. Take out both of these on a plate. And if you want the extra oil to come over, you can have a tissue paper. And now I have sprinkled some black pepper and salt. If you don't want to eat on Navratris, you can have paprika or this peri peri masala as well. You can have chili flakes also. All these spices taste really well. You can add on any of the spices if you are not having it on the Vrat day. So this is ready to eat. Serve it with the coriander chutney or tomato sauce as you wish.